Booleans have various logical operations that we can use to help us compare. We have operators and, or, and not, and comparison operators equal to, not equal to. Just so you can see here how these are defined in Python. Greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to. And we can combine these and use parentheses for order of operations, and we'll show an example of that. So let's look here on the right, and we have assigned the variable x to a value of false. The variable y is a value of true. These are Boolean data types. What if we say x or y? So we're trying to evaluate that expression. Well, that evaluates to true because x or y is true. Y is true. What if we ask, is x and y? And that is false because they would both need to be true to evaluate as true, but only one is. Only y is true. X is false. Now here's an interesting example. What if we say not x or y? Well, let's evaluate left to right. Not x evaluates to the opposite of x. Not, as we see here, reverses the Boolean. So not x would be true. Not x would be true. Well, now what about or y? So true or, what is y? True. So true or true is true. And that's the result of that. Look here, if all we change is we add parentheses for order of operations and we say, evaluate this first, x or y, and then we not it. So x or y, well, we already know that is true from this operation because one of these is true, y is true. So we have true, and then if we say not true, that evaluates to false. So I wanted you to be aware of that order of operations. We can use that similarly as we use in regular math. We can use that in Python. Let's look at a few more examples with comparison operators over in idle. So here we have x is assigned the value of 1, y is assigned the value of 2. Let's have a third variable z, and let's assign that the value of 1. So is x greater than y? No. Is x greater than z? No. Is x greater than or equal to z? Yes, it is, because it's equal to z. Is y equal to z? No. One thing to be careful of is double equal sign versus a single equal sign. Let's see what happens if we do y equals z. We might think, oh, is y equal to z? All that does is that makes y take on the same value as z. So now y should be 1. Let's check that. Y is indeed 1. So remember, double equal sign is for comparison, and single equal sign is for assignment. So that was a little bit of logical operations. I'd invite you to and encourage you to try some out on your own, and we will see you in the next lecture.